Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to delete account on Happn. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Happn application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Happn if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the bottom left corner, we have the Explore. We also have the Hub, where you can check out things. We have the map here, the likes, and in the bottom right corner, we have the chats. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and delete account on Happn. First of all, launch the Happn app on your mobile device, as I already told you in the start of the video. Then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. In the top right corner, click on your profile icon. Then after that, when you click there, you need to go and tap on app settings. When you go to settings, here as you can see, then you need to go and scroll down and tap on my data. Tap on delete my account. Then select delete your account and follow the prompts to confirm. Once you complete these steps, your account will be permanently deleted. If you have any issues, you can also reach out to the Happn's customer support for assistance. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.